Are you prepared to take on any outdoor adventure or crisis? We're showing off the top 10 survival tools and devices that are now on Amazon in this video. For preppers, outdoor adventurers, and anybody else who wants to be prepared for anything, these Amazon buys are ideal. They include everything from staples for a bug-out pack to multi-purpose survival equipment and reliable tactical gear. These top-rated survival tools will drastically increase your level of readiness, whether you're camping, trekking, or dealing with SHTF situations. Now let's get started. Any outdoor trip or ordinary outing requires a dependable and adaptable pack. Introducing the Mountainsmith Lumbar Packs, enduring mainstays of outdoor equipment. Boasting over 35 years of trusted performance, these packs have undergone thoughtful improvements to enhance their modern utility while maintaining legendary durability. Constructed from ultra-rugged Cardura brand fabrics, they are designed to withstand the rigors of the trail, with many still in use after 2 decades. Key features of these lumbar packs include a tuck-away waist belt, removable shoulder strap, and a smartphone-sized waist pocket for easy access to essentials. The stash pocket behind the back panel and headphone port add functionality, while the rigid EVA back panel ensures comfort. 2 water bottle pockets, MOLLE-style attachment loops, and innovative Delta compression straps for flexible storage are further features. These packs are great for making lifelong memories on any excursion, whether you're hiking, attending a summer concert, or traveling a plane. Having a dependable source of light is essential for visibility and safety during any outdoor trip. The Loopgear SK03 rechargeable multi-purpose EDC flashlight combines convenience and power in a small package to satisfy all of your lighting demands. This IP65 waterproof flashlight is built to withstand the elements, having been drop tested up to 1 meter, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. With an ultra-bright output of 1000 lumens and a 145-degree floodlight angle, it illuminates up to 393 feet, ensuring exceptional visibility in any situation. The small flashlight is pocket-sized and features a handy clip, allowing for easy access whether you're hiking, camping, or conducting vehicle inspections in the dark. Equipped with USB-C charging technology, it can be fully charged in just 1.5 hours, minimizing downtime. 10 lighting options, ranging from intense beams to aesthetically pleasing sidelights, are part of the adaptable design. With a weight of just 2.46 ounces and a length of 3 inches, it is the ideal EDC companion for a variety of situations. Made with high-quality materials for enduring toughness. A multi-purpose sleeping system is necessary for a restful night's sleep outside. Presenting the Zen Bivy Lightbed, a cutting-edge sleeping option made to improve your camping trip. This system's distinctive architecture enables a smooth transition between a roomy rectangular mode and a conventional mummy form. The adjustable footbox connects directly to the mattress using existing clips and loops, ensuring unrestricted movement for your feet while keeping the quilt securely in place. The design offers the cozy comfort of a full rectangular bag while remaining lightweight, making it perfect for backpacking adventures. Setting up the Zen Bivy Lightbed is straightforward. Taking just minutes to convert between styles, the mattress's draw cord closure provides added warmth and room, and the baffled design ensures that the quilt stays tucked in, eliminating drafts. The Zen Bivy redefines outdoor sleeping comfort with its blend of warmth, versatility, and portability, making it a necessary piece of camping equipment. For every outdoor enthusiast, having trustworthy fire-starting tools is crucial when survival is at stake. Presenting hurricane-proof Finza fire matches. It's the best way to start fires in the worst circumstances. These matches are designed to be windproof, waterproof, and earthproof, ensuring that starting a fire is quick and easy regardless of the environment. With the ability to withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour, these matches provide a dependable flame when you need it most. They also burn underwater or under dirt for up to 12 seconds, making them ideal for emergencies. Safety is paramount. The matches feature a red phosphorus strike pad that separates the red and white phosphorus, reducing the risk of accidental ignition. When every second counts, InstaFire matches, which come in a sturdy waterproof match case made to withstand hurricane conditions, guarantee that you can get to fire quickly. You can be sure that your fire starting supplies are always available with a well-organized case and a safe TPR cap attachment. Whether you're tackling a rugged outdoor adventure, working on a home improvement project, or managing everyday tasks, having a durable and dependable protective cover is crucial. It offers the versatility and protection needed to handle a wide range of situations with confidence. The StanSport multi-purpose tarp is designed to meet diverse requirements for camping, backyard activities, and more. Available in a range of sizes, strengths, and colors, these tarps are crafted from durable materials to ensure maximum functionality. The 5mm thickness and 8x10 weave construction make this tarp ideal for ground cover beneath your camping tent. Its rope-reinforced edges and double-reinforced corners enhance durability, while the polyethylene lamination on both sides protects against wear and tear. With heavy-duty rust-resistant grommets every 3 to 4 feet, securing the tarp is a breeze. Whether you need it as a shelter, for protecting gear, or for covering firewood, the StanSport multi-purpose tarp is versatile enough for any task. Designed for durability and ease of use, this tarp is a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts and DIY projects alike.